outlook of reality. Postulates that our reality is subjugated to impersonal phase. So whatever your philosophy, your ideas, your ideology, your preconceived notions.
Manic episodes and hypomania, because these are the two cases where you have polar extremities in mood fluctuation, from elation to this.
Metaphysical solipsism postulates that only the mind exists. I could only prove that the mind exists. Epistemological solipsism postulates that I cannot prove with absolute certainty. Came to this point.
Okay.
Years ago, I had a deep-seated infatuation with linguistics, primarily studying humor. I haven't had the opportunity.
Okay, cool. So you're a man of the world.
These patterns are only detectable to people who are impaired. So I didn't just want to understand sound from a linguistics perspective or just have... In music, you have also
Sound, what is amplitude, frequency, velocity, why do we hear octave? But that's just from a physics perspective. Like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition, lucid dream, extrasensory perception.
trajectory that occurs.
You can cross disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary areas.